first and foremost, I want to say it's a privilege to have a library like this to explore my growth as a thinker. And I'm mostly a learner because in the order of academia, as much as I want to be a teacher and somebody to just tell people my story and make an impression, there's no way without being an impressionist or an influencer without learning first or being influenced first. So let me tell you a little bit about this story that I wrote. It's called Think Like a Cop. It's a short story. The first edit was the first editor. It was edited by a gentleman by the name of Bruce George, who is the coiner for the slogan, Genius is Common. He also is responsible for Def Poetry Jam. He works side by side with Russell Simmons with Def Poetry Jam, and they introduced a lot of talented people from Kanye West to Marlon Wayans and a lot of really active people in the community of New York City. Not just comedians, poets, politicians. You're welcome to see not only my video on Genius is Common website. I also have a logo that I was permitted to have on his website. He hosted my logo for Stack Books Foundation, which is my student organization, but also just a brand that I'm working on as far as brand marketing. But it's just basically, for me, it's like a mock brand, because anything that you don't trademark or copyright, it's virtually nothing until you get a whole team behind you. So I'm not really looking to copyright or trademark or anything, so anybody's welcome to take anything and run with it. I'm more so interested in the idea and the concept of young people my age working together towards something besides starting a record label and being famous in the world, hearing our story and not the community story, or just basically service. So let's hear how it all starts. I'm going to come a little closer. Every now and then I'm going to come behind the podium, again, so you can see, don't forget to thank your sponsors. I wouldn't be able to do this if there wasn't, the Carnegie family and all the families that you find in Shenley Park Plaza that donated money to create a place like this for all people, Black, white, Puerto Rican, or Asian, to come and learn and grow. Because remember, only 40, 50, 60 years ago, knowledge was something that was filtered. And, these days it's here for people to grab a book and get ahead in life. But it's up to you whether you want to go to the studio or the basketball court or the trap house to get together your wicked rock or your jump shot. So let me explain to you a little bit about this as I turn my jacket on. I was barely knowledgeable of any police work other than playing cops and robbers as a kid with my best friend Johnny in our backyard. I don't know what captured my attention more, the $10.50 an hour promotion of the job on the campus lawn, or the challenge of trying something new that excited me. I was about 23 years old in a college town. All I'd been known to do prior to accepting my job as I didn't really actually have the terminology correct. So this is the reason why I'm pausing for a minute. Whenever you start to write your short stories before you decide to write a book and publish it, I suggest getting an editor, finding an editor. I recommend Bruce George. He's a great editor, but there's many other editors. I'm not even going to lie. Before I got to know him, I actually kind of did it for clout because I heard he was really a renowned person, and I wanted to put a renowned person beside my brand so that other people would be interested in what I'm doing. But once I got to know him, I found out that he was really not just a renowned person, but somebody that would generally, had an interest in community growth. And Yeah, so he has a book out himself. It's actually called Bandana Republic. It's one on my to-do list to get as far as Amazon, but if you're looking for an editor, I recommend him. Now, I said campus officer, but campus officer is actually somebody that's actually a law enforcement officer or closer to it. They would be your boss. The proper term is auxiliary officer. I had to look it up because this is a job that I only had for 4 months, as you're going to see as I read. Shalom.